I ruined the school assembly with a single button. Let me set the scene. It was the day of the Respect and Responsibility Assembly, aka that magical time of year where the school pretends we're all one big happy community, despite the fact that half the students are texting under the table and the other half are trying not to fall asleep face first into their laps. I was in 9th grade, and that week, our tech teacher randomly decided I should be the kid in charge of running the slideshow and audio for the whole assembly. Why me? Because I once plugged in an HDMI cable without breaking anything. That apparently made me proficient, so I'm sitting backstage with the school laptop, a projector remote, and exactly 0 training. My only job? Press the spacebar when the principal points at me. Seems easy, right? Number. Because the laptop wasn't mine. It belonged to Mr. Green, a teacher known for 2 things: his inability to whisper and his obsession with saving everything to one chaotic desktop folder labeled important. I open the PowerPoint. It's fine. Basic slides with phrases like respect others and be kind. Pretty standard, very beige. The auditorium is full. The principal is mid-speech. He finishes his inspiring bit about leadership and gives me the nod. So I hit spacebar, and that's when everything went straight to digital hell. Instead of the next slide, the screen goes black, and then a video starts playing, full volume, on the projector, for the entire school. At first, it's hard to tell what it is, some kind of animated video, but then it becomes crystal clear. It's a fan-made anime music video, a very intense one, featuring dramatic battle scenes, slow-motion hair flips, and, unfortunately, a solid 3 seconds of anime cleavage physics. And the music? Bring Me to Life, by Evanescence, blasting, echoing, reverberating through the gym like it was 2003 and pain was fashionable. I panic. I mash keys like I'm defusing a bomb. The laptop freezes. Kids start cheering. Teachers are horrified. The vice principal looks like he aged 20 years in real time. I finally managed to close the video, only to realize it auto-minimized to reveal Mr. Green's entire desktop, which I kid you not, had a photo of him shirtless, holding a fish set as the background. Why? Why was that the background? Why was the fish so big? I black out the screen. Silence. The principal stares at me. Everyone stares at me. And I do the only thing I can think of. I grab the mic, lean in, and say, technical difficulties. Please respect our patience. Somehow, that gets a laugh. The tension breaks. The assembly continues. Barely. Afterward, Mr. Green pulls me aside. Why didn't you double-check the file? Sir, why did you save that file on the same computer hooked up to the projector? I thought I'd be suspended, but instead, I became a legend. For the rest of the year, people called me DJ Respect. Someone even drew anime fan art of the moment and taped it to my locker. The assembly was never the same after that. No more student tech support. Everything was locked down, monitored, double encrypted, but the damage was done. I didn't ruin the assembly. I made it unforgettable.